I just received the new Samsung Galaxy S26 from Samsung Kenya, and today we are doing the full unboxing to see what's actually inside the box. This color looks incredible in person. I got the black 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage version. The design feels super refined. Samsung has kept that sleek flagship look, but it feels thinner and more polished. And of course, the camera system is the star here. Inside the box, we get USB-C charging cable, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide. Let's power it on for the first time. Always satisfying seeing that first startup. Samsung displays never disappoint. The colors already look incredible. And if you know me, the first thing we are testing is the camera. We'll definitely do a full camera test soon. If you want to see camera tests, hidden features, and photography tips with this phone, make sure you subscribe. This is a Samsung Galaxy S26 unboxed.